Hey guys, this is Epson ECOTANK ET5150. I want to show you how to restore factory settings. Restore all factory settings. What you need to do is you need to scroll to the side and go to the settings. Then scroll down all the way down. You will see restore default settings. Then you will see network settings, copy settings, scan settings, clear all data and settings. Clear all data and restore default setting. It may take several minutes. Continue, yes or no, then you select yes. Set and restore. Then you go back. If you look on the Wi-Fi network, you will see that the printer is no longer connected to a network. So this is how to restore the factory default settings. And you can see the printer is no longer connected to a network. You can see the network was cancelled and completely off. If you connect this printer to a network, it will highlight a blue color. So this is how to reset this printer. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.